Let's talk about AI. Let's talk about artificial intelligence. You cannot turn a blind side to what is going on right now. You can't. So it's either you get to use it or you get to miss out. This is a great power placed right in your hands. The earlier you get in, the better. So let's talk about AI. What can you actually do with it? What can you, as a fashion designer, if you're watching this video right now, how can you incorporate AI into your business? What is the use of it currently in order to grow your brand? How can you incorporate it? You know, the amount of crazy thing people do with AI right now is unfathomable. Like, it's incredible. I've seen dog shit, like very terrible rubbish. And I've seen some that are just that incorporate it to their work, and it's just for marketing, for whatsoever. It's just so beautiful. So as a fashion designer, how can you incorporate AI into your business? So let's talk about that. From my perspective, from my side, I've been using AI even way, way, way earlier when it wasn't even widespread. I've been using it. I've always loved automation. I love something that I like ease. I like things that I can automate. I automate payments. That's one of the funniest thing about me. I can, if I'm paying somebody a particular amount of money and it's consistent, I'll just automate it. Bam. It's out of my brain. I'm focusing on something else. So, because of my love for automation in creative fields, I've always I was too early into get ChatGPT, use Gemini. I was using the previous Google before the whole AI ecosystem and all. So what can you do with AI? How can you bring in it into your field as a fashion designer? How can you bring it into your, like, in your world? What can you do with it? Yes, that's the whole topic we are having today. So me, one of the things that I use AI to do, number one, the first thing first, is refinement. You have to come to the understanding that you are building a brand. You have to come to the understanding that this thing is not just something that I'm doing to feed myself. I'm building something. So once you understand that, you understand the structure of refinement. I use AI for refining my brand and the standard of my brand. So now, one of the way that I use it is, if I if I have to, like, respond to clients, I try to use a professional way, and having to, like, type it out and use the right English can sometimes be something. So I'd rather just use AI to automate. Like, I'm not automating the response, I'm just refining my response in a professional way. I'm writing receipts, I'm sending quotation and all. Refinement of brand. Refinement of brand. That's one thing that I use it to do personally. I used to refine my brand. Are you getting? So that's one thing. And the craziest part is that if you actually utilize this tool well, see, there are a lot of people that are not doing anything with AI currently. They're not doing anything. And the earlier you get into it, and the earlier you utilize all of the tools, the earlier you get opportunities. That's the craziest thing. Now, there are things that I can do with it now that is fetching me, that make my life so easy that I don't even know how to explain it. Number two is confirmation and research. This one, I'm going to like share a very core secret to you. This is going to be personal. The only company that is going to win the AI search, that's going to win the AI race, let me use the word AI race. The company that is going to win the AI race is the company that can generate answers with image and historical response. If you ask ChatGPT a question now, it just give you a write-up. Any of those companies that can give you a write-up with an image, like a real image behind it, or a video to back it up, like under the response, is going to win the AI race. Not just putting link, I mean putting the image under the response that correlates with your question. That's the company that is going to win the AI race, because no matter what, humans are still visual. We're visual being. That's one thing. So I use AI for research. I use it for research. This is one of my go-to app. So when I talk about research and confirmation, so let's say I want to like sew an outfit now. I already finished the outfit, but I wanted to maybe like have a touch of color based on my brand colors and my brand profile. I want to add a touch of color. I post it to AI. It puts it will be able to put accessories and a touch of colors. These are the things that I use it to do. AI does not sew the clothes. I'm still going to take my phone to record the clothes on my mannequin, or I'm going to wear it myself. Do you understand? But for confirmation of idea, for research, if I'm making a design that has anything to do with a culture, I research the culture. I get to know the info. Yes, I understand that AI is not perfect. That shit sometimes can hallucinate and all. But regardless, it still directs you to a very good point. It still directs you closer to your answer. You understand? So I use it for research. I use it for confirmation of ideas, confirmation of designs, all of those things. For now. Now, the third thing that I use AI to do is mostly to create comparison. Mostly to create comparison. I like to use automation, as I've said. So anywhere that I know that I can plug in my Gemini Pro and I can create an automation, I do that. I try it. I love AI. I use all of the apps. I use Grok. I use Twitter. Yes, X. I use Grok. I use Gemini. I use Cloud. I use all of them. You must not be behind. You have to always, what can I use these things for? What can I do this thing for? But one of the most important things is that don't ever 100% rely on AI, because you are an artist, you are a creative. I will be talking more about this video because I myself, I will still be making more video in this topic, because I myself have gotten to start using a lot of AI. Like I've been using quite a lot of it. And the more I get to know about what they can do, the more I incorporate it to my business, the more amazing it is, and the more I will want to share the video. So this is just the first topic of a lot of other videos that we are going to be talking about AI, artificial intelligence. So that will be about it in this video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're yet to subscribe to the channel. I will see you on the next one. Do have a lovely rest of your day. Peace. Bye bye.